Alright guys, hello everybody and welcome to my second Halloween special, how to get more candy on Halloween while trick-or-treating. So let's jump right into the video. Tactic 1, the classic bowl steal. There are so many houses that just leave out a bowl saying, take one only please. So, of course, you have to take all the candy, the bowl, and the note, and whatever the bowl is sitting on. Number 2, the double the prize tactic. For this one, all you need to do is, once you've walked the street once, walk it again. So, for example, let's say your house is down there. What you're going to want to do is walk your route this way, then this way like you normally would. Then, once you reach your house, just go like this, and walk the route again. It's that simple. You hit every house twice, nobody remembers you or realizes anything. The psychological shoe note tactic. It has been scientifically proven that the first thing people subconsciously notice about you is your shoes. So, for this tactic, put sticky notes on your shoes saying, give me more candy. So, if you're going to do that tactic, it should look something like this. Or if you're feeling really bold, I guess you could do something like this. And finally, number 4, the Grim Reaper tactic. For this tactic, which I will also talk about in my next video, you will need a costume that has long sleeves like a Grim Reaper or some other costume. When somebody holds out the bowl or shows you the bowl of candy, act like you're digging through the candy looking for the kind you like. As you do this, secretly pick one or two of the pieces of the candy and secretly just kind of hide it in your sleeves. They'll never know. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe by clicking that icon there to the left. Watch my last video by clicking that thing right there to the right. And as always, see ya!